are you doing, Tuffers?
He's biting me.
Tuffers? You can't get in the truck. Car?
Too bad I can't call him a miniature horse. They're a miniature horse.
Well, he thinks he's a pet.
And he sure does act like one. Yeah.
He likes the AC.
Oh, you want some AC?
Goofy dog, horse.
Silly horse. You silly horse. Silly horse. Oh, yeah.
Okay, ready?
As soon as he gets his head out of the way.
No, that won't happen. He'll hang out all day. You know why he's doing that? Because I gave him cookies yesterday. Remember those cookies I brought you for after school?
Bet you ate all of those.
Those vanilla creams? I gave him a whole bunch.
He ate my
Peanut
pie.
butter creams.
Oh, got you now, Tuffer. Ow!